Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. Little videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to do a part 2 on this here Louis Vuitton item. I end up keeping her, so if you're here for part 2, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Go ahead and click on my subscribe button. I'm gonna place it right here because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here review. If you're new, I did just do a unboxing. I will try and leave it up in the cards so you can check that out, so you can check that one out first before watching this. But if not, you can watch this and then go back and watch that, but just watch both of them, okay? So origami set, it was a Christmas gift. Dilemma was I wasn't sure what to do with the biggest pouch, so I got on YouTube and I started seeing different videos and reviews on this particular item and different ways you can carry it. I was like, okay, looking to purchasing these things now off of Amazon. I will try and link it down below just in case you want to check out the inserts or the chain and everything, because I did buy 2 inserts and a chain. Now you can buy the set of 3, but little small pouch I would never carry as a crossbody. I'm just saying, it's just too small. I did get a pouch, an insert for this one and the bigger one. Now I did place an order just for the bigger pouch. I kept canceling my order, so I don't know what was going on. So I was like, okay, I didn't want a pouch for this, an insert for this, because like I said, I wasn't looking to carry this as a crossbody or the mini one. I ended up having to place an order for a pouch set that has 2, the one for this and the bigger one. So I was like, it still kind of was the same price, maybe a little more, but I was like, okay, whatever, I'll just place the order, because like I said, I didn't want to buy the set of 3. The gold chain. Here are the inserts, the large, and you got your medium one. Come a day or 2 before I was leaving for PA, so I looked at them, but I really didn't look at them. It was a way you can use the chain without the inserts, because I feel like the inserts do take up space. Show you what I'm talking about. So here is the bigger purse. Now I'm not sure if I did or if I didn't, but I was like, I don't think I would want to carry this as a crossbody. But after trying it on, I was like, okay, this could work. Like, this can work. I wasn't sure because I was like, that might look silly as a crossbody, but it actually looks nice. So here is the inside. Like I said, it's the blush pink. So with this particular item, what you do is you slide it inside. This is where you attach your chain to. I want to make sure with these little hooks that I don't have to worry about wear and tear on the sides of this particular pouch. I don't know if it would cause creasing or whatever. That's why I was like, I wanted to order the inserts off of Amazon, just in case this particular insert is not what I want. I can always return it and just try and order another one. No, looking at the size, I just want to make sure, if you can see, that it won't cause. So to go back and look at the reviews, but so far so good. So here is the pouch, and like I said, it do take up room, so it will protect the inside of this particular pouch. Now with this, you can place stuff in here, like, so here is the wallet, so you can place that in here. So I'm gonna just throw that in like so. A lip gloss, Gucci key pouch. Let's see, all 3 fits perfectly in the inside. Let's just say for whatever reason I need my agenda, so I will place that in the back part of the pouch. Definitely need my AirPods. Alright, so let's see. The AirPods may be a little tricky, only because, let me see, I would have stick the AirPods here, but I did have to take the lip gloss out, so I feel like I can just place this here lip gloss on the top. Now close this. So it's just a gold chain, nothing fancy, just a gold chain. Then the gold chain, the little hooks remind you of like the Louis Vuitton, but just not spending the Louis Vuitton money. The strap on the hooks like so. So let me just show you. Push this back like so, and you take this little hook and you close it. Whoa, y'all, let me get it together. It turns into a little, what is it, like an evening clutch or like a grab and go type of bag. Is I'm gonna push this table back so we can go ahead and see how this looks on my particular body. Here is the pouch, like as a crossbody. Like I said, it looks really cute on as a crossbody. Like I said, looking at it, I was just like, So it hangs down here like on my hip. I like the way it hangs on my hip. Good spot. So like, say if you at the register and you want to pay for something, you can just grab your wallet and go ahead and pay for what you need. But so here's my iPhone. I do have the 14 Pro Max. So let's see if this can fit. So instead of putting the agenda back there, we're going to use the iPhone, because I will have my iPhone. I will use my iPhone a lot more than that. Phone do fit perfectly in the back area, and it do closes. It's a little heavy, but it's not heavy to the point where it's like bothering my shoulders or causing weight on me or anything like that. It's really nice on my body, and it's shaped like a envelope, a really big envelope. Is the back part. Now with this, I think I can make this a lot smaller. Let me see if I can do that. This is how it looks with me doing it like that. So you can wear it like this. I mean, I don't know, I may wear it like that. Bags like this I like to carry as a crossbody bag. I'll try and take pictures of how the bag look on my body, because trying to tilt the camera and getting it back to how it was sometimes is difficult. So like I said, this little thing holds a lot. It may look small, but it holds a lot, you all. But do when I'm done filming, I'm going to take pictures of me wearing this bag, showing how it looks crossbody on me, so you can get the full effect. I'm like 5'1", 5'2". I don't know the measurements of the strap, but like I said, pull down my description box and I'll link this particular strap down below. But keep in mind, if you already have gold straps, brown straps, or whatever kind of straps, you can use it with this particular insert. Show you how the insert looks on the smaller pouch. Now keep in mind, it do look cute. I don't know if I would use it as a crossbody. Maybe, I don't know, y'all, but I'm gonna show you. And I like the fact that with this particular chain, use on different things. It don't necessarily have to be the Karigami set. Insert for this one is red. I would need to carry my cell phone at least. See, so here is the insert for the medium size. It's perfectly in the inside. I am going to see if my phone can fit, because you can see my iPhone do not fit. Keep that in mind. So the only thing I could probably carry in this is this mini wallet. Lip glosses are so bulky that I probably would have to grab like one of my mini lip glosses. I don't have one on hand to show you, but a mini lip gloss can fit in here. See if I place this at the bottom. So here I have this. Keep in mind, this lip gloss is bulky. Let's see. Alright, so the bulky lip gloss do fit, but I don't think I would keep that in here because I feel like it's stretching the Louis Vuitton material. So let me go ahead and pull it out. A skinny lip gloss. Let me see if I have one. Alright, so I have a Chanel lip gloss. So we're going to go ahead and place Chanel at the bottom. And we have this here little card holder. Do fit perfectly in the inside. Now keep in mind, you cannot put a lot in here. Decide to carry this as a crossbody. This would be more so if I'm going to like the farmer's market, or I don't know, going to the grocery store and don't want to carry anything but my cards and lip gloss. Here is the bag on the chain. Now it do look cute. Like, it looks really cute and small. Here is this small one as a crossbody. Here on the side, the same as the bigger Karigami. To show you, I'm just pulling it up just so you can see how it look, and I take pictures with this particular item so you can see how it looks on my particular body. Like I said, it is cute. I mean, you know, here is the item with the chain attached. With this attached, I don't know if you would have an issue with it falling off. I don't know, because like I said, this is my first time ever doing this to this particular bag, and I haven't worn it out yet. I don't know, I may do like a wear test and just wear these two particular items like this on the chain with the insert, just to see how it, you know, holds up. Like, I'll probably shake it and, you know, do things to it just to see if the strap would just come undone, because if that happens, that would be like a no-no, because dropping this would be like Now, I'm sorry, I did not know this particular item was sold out, and look it up once I post this video, and I'll let you know down in the description box. I'm gonna try to get better with the description box, because I feel like there's a lot of times I'll take a whole lot of time to fill that out, and half of the time people don't even click on things. People have been asking me like, hey, you ain't linking your stuff, can you link your stuff? So only reason why I haven't been linking my stuff, because I was like, y'all don't even care to click anyway. But I'm gonna start linking. My goal for 2023, I'm gonna start linking my products and things I mention in videos, regardless if people click on it or not. You never know, somebody may click on it, because anything that y'all click, it will help me out on this here channel, because it would keep me, you know, being able to purchase luxury items, you know, just in case you like, hey, Miss Tamika, I'm not trying to spend my coins, but I help you out so you can spend yours. I would gladly appreciate just you watching my videos. Helps me out. You liking them, commenting and sharing and things like that helps me out. So continue to support me that way, so I can continue to purchase these luxury items for you all, because I love doing reviews on products. Like I said, I didn't know this was sold out. I'm sorry, but I did want to do a part 2 to let you know I did end up keeping it, because if you enjoyed this here part 2 of the Louis Vuitton Karigami, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe, and please don't forget to click on that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.